It is said that when you train a woman, you've trained a nation. So today we're going to be bringing more women into learning about artificial intelligence, AI. We said that only 12% of women are currently AI researchers, meaning that other 88% are men. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you an opportunity that I just came across, and it is a free opportunity by our government here in Nigeria. So if government has not done anything for you this year, maybe this is one of it. So it's a program that is being sponsored by the Federal Ministry of Women Affairs in partnership with funders and Microsoft, where they are training more women to be tech guru. I'm going to be sharing with you the step-by-step process on how you can actually apply for this program, and then all the benefits you're going to also be getting, because me, I'm already part of the program, and then I can get gift for the women in my community. I'm also going to be sharing with you the link to follow through to apply for this particular program. So stay tuned to the end of this video. If this is your first time of getting to see my face, my name is Jean Nena, and on this channel, I share videos on academics, research, career, and opportunities. So if this sounds like something you like to be seeing more often, please click on that subscribe button and join the community. Thank you so much for subscribing. Now let's dive in. Let me show you the step-by-step process on how you can actually apply for this opportunity. So when you come to the website, this is the thing you're going to see. You're going to carefully go through every detail that is being on this website, so you get yourself acquainted with everything. So these are some of the success stories of some people that have actually taken this course, and a lot of women that have joined the program, that sharing the experiences, and then how the course has helped them. Okay, so you can just go through them to help you on knowing what to actually look out for. Okay, so these are the things that you're going to learn: AI fundamentals, practical applications where you discover the real world use cases, prompt engineering and ethics, that is how to communicate effectively with AI, and then AI cybersecurity and data analytics, then leadership and mentorship. These are all the things you're going to be getting from the course. So let's and then you can just see the duration of 3 hours, and then is basically 100% online. So let's quickly input our details and then go over and join the course. So I'm just going to input my details here. Okay, so just add your name, your last name, and then your email, then agree to the terms and conditions, then you click on sign up for free. So let's allow it to load. So to bring you to this welcome page, where you just click on that terms and condition, then it will take you to where you can complete your profile. Just your name, you put your date of birth, the country, then your occupation, and then the company or school. So in either of the two, you can just input maybe you're a student, or you're self-employed. So just anything, just put your company and your school, then you click on that continue button. So it will bring you to this page where you get to write your upload your profile photo. So just check for any display photo that you can upload. This is going to be what's going to be shown on your dashboard, and other people, that the people that also offering this program will also get to see it. So just upload any profile picture of your choice. Okay, so when you're done uploading your photo, just click on that continue button, and then it will take you to you're ready to start dashboard. Okay, here you can share this program. You're starting this program on LinkedIn, or you can just start taking the course right away. So when it brings you to the learning page, you will see that you can even start learning the courses immediately. You can see go to lessons or all lessons. So this is the outlook of how the learning page looks like. You can also track your learning pace, that's the percentage of completed of the course. Then you can also see the lessons or course outlines you're going to be covering. These are the instructors that are going to be handling the course, and then the course outline too, the different things you're going to be learning from this course. Okay, so there are a lot of them, like 29 outlines you're going to be learning. Then you also have the activities to be done So these are like different tasks you can complete at every point you are learning. Okay, so also have events, like maybe if there's something coming up or any schedule they have, you can check off for events here, for the meetings, for the live master classes, and also other events that they may invite the fellows to. So you also have fellows, like the people you want to connect with, people that are also part of this program. Then you have interviews where you get to practice for interview for your, maybe for your next job offer. So you have notes, maybe for taking notes and then noting things you're learning from the course. A lot of them, a lot of beautiful things that you can see from here. So you can just explore everything that this program has actually promised to offer. Okay. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button to join the growing community. And please don't forget to share this video to that woman in your community or that woman in your WhatsApp group that is looking forward to actually acquire a skill or upgrade her career or anything. Just share it with a woman in your life. Thank you so much for watching, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Bye.